welcome to this skyblock video. Today I am here just to try and get my dog in my room, and I want to film it because it's quite funny. Oh look, now he's farting at me. He's going to bum in my face. Come on, dog. Now. Get in the room. What the? No, what? What? The? You just tamed it. Don't you dare tame it. Give me some rotten flesh. Yo, you're on the floor to me. Oh my god, my dog's in the chest. My dog's annoying. Come on, doggy. Yo, I think it's tamed to you. You try and walk away. You got golden boots. You got golden boots. How? Push him in, Neil. Push him in. Push him. Get in here. Oh well. Please pass me some rotten flesh. I can hold it. Thanks. Doggy. Oh my god. He likes that chest. Come on. Look. Good doggy. I fed you a piece of rotten flesh. Come on. Yeah. Is he? Oh, what the hell? Guys, I bought this dog. Not that little. I bought this dog like 2 minutes ago. Took it for a walk, and that won't get back in my room. I've tamed it. Don't you try and tame it now. I want to tell you. Come on, good doggy. A waste of money, you are, doggy. Get in there. Get in there. Get in. Oh, what the hell? Good doggy. Come on. Doesn't like you. I'm feeding him rotten flesh. What else does he want? You're wasting money, you are. Goodbye. Yay. Doggy. I love you, doggy. I've only got one more piece of rotten flesh. What else do you want? It's got a wonky head. Come on. Oh my god, I really need a lead. Oh. How did you get the iron boot? How did you get the golden boots anyway? Did you buy them in an auction? A skeleton dropped them. Yes, eventually! Quickly, shut the door! Shut the door now! Shut the door! Shut the door! Yes! Guys, we did it! Now, before I started this video, I've been trying to get it in there for like 5 minutes. It still would not go down. A good doggy, I'll feed you the rest of the rotten flesh. Yeah, good. So you'll never go for a walk again. No! Oh my god, don't you dare get him out. Sorry guys about the lag. Anyway, that is the end of this video. And I did say in the last video, I would like a new way. How did you stand him up? Did you tame him? Whose dog's that? Guys, that is not the end of this video. Sit down, doggy. Follow me. Right, guys, they're gonna have to do another whole other new challenge. Don't tame it. Can I have some rotten flesh, please? I need some rotten flesh, please. Deal. Come on, doggy. got wonky head. You're wasting money. You're wasting money, I tell you. Come on. Guys, you can forget about me saying this at the end of the video. Because my nails... Why did you punch my dog? Dog, attack him. Attack him. Good boy. Oh, what the hell? Dog, attack him again. Attack him again. Go with me. Good doggy. Good doggy. Yay! Good doggy. Good doggy. Attack him. Sit down, doggy. Sit down. No, don't let him out. Neil, come into the room and we're gonna get him in here and then quickly shut it. Yeah, good doggy. It is really angry with you. There. Just sitting down, all okay. You are in big trouble with my dog. Oh my god, look at that tree. Well, come on back. So, oh my god. Okay. It's so laggy for me, that's why. Oh, anyway, yeah, guys. Oh my god, it's still growing. Anyway, guys, that is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye. Hey guys, how's it going? Please subscribe, it'll be in a lot of us. And remember, please post in the comments what we can do at the end of our videos, because something is so old-fashioned. Now, some of you would say, I forgot to do my intro. I'll do that on my next video. Bye!